missed you. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. Oh my God, oh my God, folks, oh my gosh, this is premium hardware, folks. I mean, premium hardware. This thing feels so good in the hand. It's incredible. And like he said, make no mistake, this is a Surface. This will be the last time you see this screen this clean too. Unless I can find some, God, I forgot how beautiful this was. Unless I can find some clear screen protectors or something like that. Oh, let's cancel out of here. Here we go. All right, so I'm gonna get this all set up and I will be back. All right, so I just put my SIM card in there, but before I put my SIM card in there, there is an update available, and I don't know what this is, but we're gonna go ahead and get this updated. So I'm gonna plug it up. We're gonna keep it going. All right, yet another update. This one's a little bit bigger. It's not really telling me what these updates are, but I'm assuming it's just getting it caught up to wherever it is right now. It's not letting me get past this screen. It just restarted and then another update popped up. So I got a feeling I'll be here for a little bit. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, round two. So this is the Microsoft Surface Duo. And boy, am I happy I brought it back. So if you remember, I bought the Surface Duo when it first dropped, you know, paying the full cost for the 256 gig, 1,500 plus taxes, came to like 1,675 or something like that, almost 1,700 bucks. And I sold it after a couple of months because I couldn't deal with the software. So that'll be the first thing I'll talk about in my follow-up bringing the device back is the software. So again, got this on Buy Dig, brand new unlocked model for $699 for the 128 gig. That is a steal of a deal. So the software was one of the reasons. The peak feature didn't work that well. It works now. The gestures were all messed up before. They work now. The device is just blazing fast and fluid. There's your universal search right there. The device just works so fast and fluid. It is just fantastic. I'm super happy that I got this back at a very nice price. $699 for this device, man, is a freaking steal. And right now, recording of this video, I'll stop and talk about price for a minute. There is a deal on Woot, and there's also a deal on Walmart. Woot has these devices right here. The 128 is $599, folks. The 256 gig is like $650. Those are fantastic deals. However, those are the AT&T versions, and they will not work on the Verizon network or any of the CDMA networks. They won't work. So if you want to use this thing on Verizon was selling this, but I can see it on the website, but I think it's just for business users right now. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But you can find this on their website, but not for regular consumers. Also, AT&T is actually still selling this device, and they're selling it for $1,000 for this model. But those ones that are on Woot, the deal will be over by the time you see this video probably. But if you bought one from Woot and you think you're going to use it on Verizon, you might as well cancel the order because I don't believe it's going to work. It's going to work on only GSM providers. And that, my friend, is the unlocked version and why it's a better deal to buy the unlocked version. Now, if you want the unlocked version, actually Walmart, I saw it on Walmart for $744. Now, it's not sold by Walmart, but it's on the Walmart website. So obviously they have to be legit. It's a cell phone company. So software. This was Buggy Software when I got it last time. When I bought it at launch last time, it was super buggy. Something as simple as this, and I'm going to just get in here and do this. Screenshot. Before, you could only take a screenshot and it will only take it of both screens. I thought that was the dumbest thing ever, right? This is stupid. So, let's close this up. Make sure it's closed. make sure the other screen is not on, because if this screen is on at all, it's going to take a photo of both screens. So let's see if this works. That should be a single screenshot. I know that's simple. Nope. Other screen was on. That's why I'm doing. And here's a shot that I did of the actual single screen. So maybe the screen came on when I did it like that. I don't know. So let's turn it off again. Turn it back on. Let's try to get a single screenshot. And you can see if it's a single screenshot right up top. Here is a single screenshot. Something as simple as that should have been on here to begin with, folks. That should not have been something that was so, hard to figure out. It just shouldn't have been that way. Now, the software, while I've gotten all those updates and everything, and it's on the April 21 security patch, I think the software still needs some improvement, because there's little kinks here and there, but I'm happy to report that it's definitely not like before, and the device feels so fast. It feels so much faster. I don't know what they did, but it feels so much faster. It just feels great, man. Even that gesture like this used to not work. It was horrible. You would flip it over and it just wouldn't work. All right. And I just feel like if in fact, they're going to continue to try to get people with this device, they're going to have to keep the software smooth. And right now it is fairly smooth compared to what it used to be when I had it last year. And then the fact that I'm paying less than half what I paid last time, that makes it all the sweeter. So the cameras, I took some sample photos. I'm going to give you a full rundown on this device for the cameras. I'm going to do a vlog outside like I did last time. I thought it was fantastic. It focus hunted, but I didn't lock the camera that time. So I'm going to try all that I can to make this the best footage ever for you guys. But I got to tell you, the software is better, much better. I'm not going to lie. It is. It's fast, because I had it the first time and it was not too great. But the software is better. It's better. The cameras, though, have greatly improved. I took some sample photos right here in the office, and, it's this low light. I just got a couple of LEDs going. I don't have a top light. I just have top light turned off and a bunch of LEDs going. Well, two. And it's pretty much illuminating this office. It's basically dark in here, but I have this LED lights illuminating the office, and they are good LED lights, and they will show you, this shows how much they've improved on the cameras before. The cameras on here are greatly improved. I mean, greatly improved. They look so much better to me. And I think that's a huge plus when it comes to trying to cater to your crowd. Now, obviously, these cameras are supposed to be for like duo. You want to use these for duo or some kind of video chat, Microsoft Teams, something. It's really good to know that these cameras have improved this much. And I'm feeling so much better about this purchase this time around. Yeah, $700 is not a drop in the bucket, but the fact is that's better than paying $1,700, right? So I wanted to show you the device was back. The areas where it was failing to me are a little flawed. Was it the software for sure? The gestures, all of that seems to be a lot better. I mean, the screenshot thing, it may not work flawlessly every time, but it works. It actually works this time around. So I'm happy that I brought this back. I will give you more coverage. I will do vlogs from the phone. I will stream from the phone. I will do whatever it takes to show you that I enjoy this phone. I'm not trying to sell you this phone. This is one of those devices, devices that a person will buy because they want to and they see the potential that it possibly has. Now, back when the Fold 2 came out and I got them both, I went with the Fold 2. Well, I've obviously since sold my Fold 2, so I need a strong folding device. And this is it. Now, I know the Z Fold 3 is going to be popping up soon. I'm on the fence whether I'm going to buy it or not. I probably will, yeah. But this device at this price is just a win-win to me. This is the best hardware, again, on any device that I own. And I've already ordered some more things for it. I got some matte stuff coming in, obviously, and I'll share that with you later. Actually, tomorrow it comes, I believe. but I'll share that with you soon. But I hope you enjoyed this video following up on a device that I just think is one of the best in the game, regardless of what you hear from all these naysayers about don't buy it, it's trash, it's horrible. Yes, I caught and released it last time, but not for all the reasons that other people said. It was just the software. And now the software is improved. I never really listen to people who tell me not to buy something, and I'm not telling you to buy it. But if you're on the fence about it, look at my previous videos on this phone device, and then stay tuned for more footage on it from me. And I guarantee you, whatever you want me to cover, I'll do just like I did last time. And any other device, I will cover it. The big difference this time is I'm actually testing it out on a different network. This is the Verizon. So it's going to be really difficult to take my SIM card out of this phone because of so many people have this number and, iMessage, FaceTime, all this stuff comes here. It's going to be difficult because I've already fallen in love with this device all over again. It's your man, Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.